Understanding the phrase, "on your beam ends." Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, "on your beam ends." This might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. "On your beam ends" has a nautical origin. In the world of sailing, the beams are the widest part of a ship. When a ship is on its beam ends, it means it's tilted so much that its beams are almost vertical, suggesting a very difficult or precarious situation. Understanding this origin helps us grasp the metaphorical use of the phrase in everyday English. In modern English, "on your beam ends" is used to describe a situation where someone is in great difficulty or distress, particularly in financial or resource-related contexts. It's similar to saying someone is at their wits' end, or in dire straits. Let's look at some examples. After losing his job, he was really on his beam ends, struggling to pay his bills. The team was on their beam ends in the final minutes of the match, barely holding off the opponents. When using "on your beam ends," remember, 1. Context is key. It's mostly used for serious situations, often involving financial or resource constraints. 2. Tone matters. This phrase carries a tone of sympathy or seriousness. 3. Metaphorical use. It's a metaphorical expression, so it works best in contexts where this style of language is appropriate. That's all about "on your beam ends." I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms and phrases can really add color to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.